In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Google Photos locked folder. This feature is a secure space inside Google Photos where you can keep sensitive pictures and videos hidden from your main gallery. It stays out of albums, search results, and memories, and it requires your device or account authentication each time you access it. I'll walk you through opening it on Android and on the web and share a few helpful tips along the way. Let's start on Android. Open the Google Photos app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap Collections. If you're using an older version of the app, this button might be labeled Library instead. Both take you to the same place. Scroll until you see Locked or Locked Folder, then tap it. At this point, Google Photos will ask you to verify it's really you. Use your fingerprint, PIN, password, or screen pattern, whichever you normally use to unlock your device. Once you're in, you'll see any items you've placed in the locked folder. Remember, they won't appear in your main gallery or in any albums, and they won't show up in search or memories, so you'll always come back here to find them. If you're having trouble, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account in the Photos app. Now, let's open the locked folder on the web. On a computer, go to photos.google.com and sign into your Google account. In the left-hand sidebar, look for Locked Folder and click it. For extra security, you may be asked to re-enter your Google account password before it opens. This extra prompt helps keep your private content protected, especially if you're using a shared or work computer. A quick but important note: if you don't see the locked folder option on the website, it may be because backup for locked folder is turned off on your phone. In that case, the folder might only be accessible on your device. Also, be sure you're using the same Google account on the web that you use on your phone, otherwise the folder won't appear. That's all you need to open and view your locked folder, both on Android and online. Keep in mind that this space is designed to stay separate from your everyday photo browsing, adding an extra layer of privacy whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to double check you're signed into the right account before you start.